What's up guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. Every now and then, I like to cover accessories for the Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality headset. It makes things a little bit more comfortable when you are playing in VR. Today, we are looking at the Kiwi Touch controller covers, also known as knuckle straps. Opening up the box, these accessories are tucked away in a small white bag. And here are the covers themselves, made out of silicone with some metal hardware, and the color seems to be a perfect match. You will also receive an instruction manual that will explain how to put these covers on, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and do that. At the top there will be an opening to slide the controller in, and then we have a buckle rubber strap to hold everything in place. The first thing you will do is pull the string through the base, push the controller in, make sure everything is nice and fit perfect, and then latch on the two straps. Next, you will release the Velcro and fish it through the hardware. And that's basically it. Everything is good to go. Looking close in, you can see that there is a very fine design which will add to the grip during play. Now this one does not have an opening to change the battery, so you will have to take the strap off, but I know Kiwi has released a newer model that does have a battery opening. Looking close in on the strap, there is some branding. It's pretty thick and soft to the touch, so it will be nice and comfortable. And here the controllers are on your hand. One of the great things about this product is you will no longer have to hold the controller will hold on to you. This will make the overall experience just a little bit more comfortable. It's nice to every now and then be able to open your hands up and relax, making the overall immersive virtual reality experience just a little bit better. I paid about $25 on Amazon for this product, and that is because I like the Kiwi brand and I've used their link cables in the past. But I did see an Insignia brand version of this for about $20 at Best Buy, so this is an easy product to find just about anywhere. I've upgraded many things on my headset, from the earbuds to an Elite strap, and now these knuckle covers. Let me know if there's any other accessories you guys want me to grab and check out for review here on the channel. Thank you for sticking with me all the way until the end. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.